Hello, and welcome to the Web2Labs. My name is Winlow, and I'm running this high-tech lab here. In these rooms, we are realizing great projects and create structured chaos during experiments. Finally, this fresh found facility is online. From now on, you can watch me trying to create and or destroy stuff in the name of science. Still on board? Great. So let me introduce you to the first problem we have. After building this facility, they left me with a small budget in their best hopes that I will soon get a profit out of this lab. Not really what I signed up for, but look at the lab, it's so shiny. So before we can experiment with the cool stuff, we first need an income for this lab. A quick online search how to make money online brought up a devastating list. First, betting. Well, you need money so you can bet. Second, online surveys. Try that, at the end of the day you're getting bucks for spending hours of selling all of your privacy. Third, online market trading. Again, you need money for that. Fourth, sell photos. I also tried that, but people complained my images are too artificial. 5. YouTube. Okay, so after a lot more of such great lists, I finally stumbled across a great idea. A gentleman posted online that you can sell game assets in game asset stores. Perfect. I already spent way more money in such stores than I would ever admit to anyone. So here a quick explanation what an asset store is. Game asset stores are markets where you can buy graphics, models, scripts or sounds to make your very own game. A lot of famous games are made completely out of, or at least contain some of these store items. The price of these items are ranging from free stuff to hundreds of dollars per item. So, after 2 long minutes thinking about it, here's the perfect plan. We will become asset creators during the startup of this lab. We will make and sell some gaming assets to later fund our experiments and projects. Our profit will be visualized by this bar. Right now completely empty, but soon we will stop making assets and start with a great era of new experiments. But I will need your help. You, all of you. I need your assistance during that phase. Leave your ideas and feedback in the comments. Join the lab by subscribing and become one of the lab members. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we should do is look at the old game project and see if we can reuse something.
Put me down.
Okay, new rule. Never stuff all the abandoned projects in one room. They will become sentient and very angry when you're trying to reach the top of a shelf. The only thing I was able to recover from that mess are some old 2D sprites. Must be enough. Let's see what we got. Traps. Great. Whatever. Has to work, cause I have absolutely no talent for creating sprites. Before we can start making awesome and cruel traps, we must build a player which we can torment. So let me introduce you to the mission board. Today's mission: create a new world. The mission board will keep track of what we are supposed to do, because usually during development I'm getting distracted. Enough talking. I will build an environment using all my experience as a game developer. Now remember it. Everything comes back to me. I am a bad game developer. Whatever. Since when did a lack of experience or knowledge kept us from doing anything? So now we have an environment. It doesn't look pretty and it doesn't have any walls, and I'm pretty sure someone would fall through the roof, but hey, I can also invest some time and improve that environment before I'm spawning any players or doing any physics, but let's stick with that thing with the player. That sounds great. So next thing we have to do is add a player. I will use a sprite which I also found at the library. It's a round 2D drone which is moving its head from left to right when you're moving with it. So let's try that. What was that? It collided with something? Let me take a look. The green boxes are colliders. Let's zoom in and... what? A tiny little edge. It stumbled across a tiny little edge. Because my character model is round, it kept on rolling. Okay, breathe. Now, we can now try to improve that. And of course I did because I had to. But we won't stick with that round character model because we will encounter the problem more often. And because I'm still a bad game developer, I don't know how to fix it. So let me introduce you to our new player model. Way cooler, way stickier, and a major improvement. Legs. Great, now we have a player. Let's update our mission board. So next thing we should do is add a proper movement to our player. On our to-do list, walking, jumping, crouching. Let's go. Wait, what was that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a bug, this is perfection. Look at the perfect movement. Okay, jokes aside, I'm actually quite happy with the movement. So we can jump, we can slide, we can duck, and we can interact with things, as you can see with this beautiful rock which is glitching through the floor. Okay, next step, to the mission board. Check, we've got a movement. Next step is making a level. I will create some game assets to make the level look way prettier, things we can interact with, things we can jump on with our new cool movement. Let's see what we got. Okay, great. I'm satisfied with what we have. So we have some objects we can interact with, some things we can climb over. Of course, a pit where you can fall in and die. And at the end of the day, a little surprise. Good. Cool. Let's take a quick look at the mission board. Check that. Now it's time to try out everything. Let's give it a test run in the Let's Play style. Alright, let's start it. Okay, walking, jumping, fine. And here it goes. Wait, what? Wait, nice! Oh, okay, whatever, I can do that again. Just give me a second. I have to turn that. Come on! Come on. Just go over there. Come on, you stupid ball. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Alright, alright. Whoa. I love that mechanic. Yeah! Okay, now we are over here. Next thing we have to tackle is this jump. What's happening? What's happening? No. Wow, I'm dying in slow motion. Well, in the good old I made a mistake tradition, it's not a bug, it's a feature. We are now dying in slow motion. Let's get back to this point. I want to reach the secret I built in. Okay, okay. Now this time, jump more carefully. Jump. And yeah. Take that, stupid pit. Now let's try that. Oh my god, they are way faster than I thought. Oh. Okay, retry. This time I'm going to jump over it. Oh my god. Oh, wow. It threw me out of the camera. This game won't beat me. Not yet. Stupid annoying stone. There has to be a way. I built it. I can beat it. Okay, try 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, did it. Did it. Perfect. No, 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 no. I will give it one last try before I'm giving up. Okay, jumping on a pad and... What's happening? I'm standing on the stones. You know what? Okay, I'm fine with that. It's a fine ending of this little Let's Play. I am trapped for eternity on a stone. We reached today's mission. We've got a player, we can move it around, we've come some kind of environment, we have a little level we can play around with and where I can adjust some of the settings. And finally we tested the whole level. From now on we can do the cool stuff. We can implement the traps, we can implement some floating platforms, for example. Hey, I have so many ideas for things we can do. And don't forget the overall goal. We will sell all of these assets we will create from now on to earn money for a big budget for the cool experiments and projects we are going to have. So as said, that's it for today. Subscribe if you want to be part of this journey and develop some of these cool assets and later on do some of the cool experiments. Leave a comment down below. Tell me if you have any cool ideas for new assets we can add to the portfolio or what you think about our new journey. As you're now a new member of this lab, you're an important key for our success. My name is Winlow and I'm looking forward to see you at our next project.